Welcome. My name is Kathy E. Smith, also known as Resource Frida. Are you ready to grab the attention and connect and convert your ideal customer or client? If your answer is yes to this question, then you should join the Business Owners Online Marketing Academy, also known as the Boom Academy. And so, do any of the following apply to you? Are you tired of the overwhelm and not sure where to post and engage with your ideal customer? Are you interested in implementing what you learned right away? And are you tired of joining different membership sites only to be given surface level stuff like checklists and worksheets? If your answer to any of these questions is yes, if your answer to one or all of these questions is yes, then this is the right academy for you. Here at the Boom Academy, we offer solutions to all of these problems. We provide weekly group trainings and you can get answers to your burning questions. So all of the content inside the Boom Academy is based on 4 key pillars. One is content, the second is connect, the third is convert, and the fourth is most important is cash flow. So depending on where you're seeing this video, if you're on Instagram, click the link in the bio that says Boom Academy. But depending on what platform, it is either above or below this video. And click and join. And I hope to see you inside the Membership Academy.